This is what I... Oh. Hurry. Oh, I'm dead, dude.
Animator.
You get copyrighted. Okay. Oh no, it's opila bird me. Okay. Oh, bro, wait, what? Oh, well, I should go now. This is my brother, my friend, Evan, Sean. Just watch the videos. So if you hear those, then yeah, it's just them. Oh, hi, opila bird. Nothing to see here. Should I go? Yeah, I'm going. Run! Oh my god. Run! Hurry up! Let's beat this game. Let's get the heck out of here now. I'm scared, man. I'm scared, man. Gotta go. I want to win. I never win. Only on your phone, okay? Only on your phone. Only on your phone. So you basically won. I never won on mine. It's kind of not gonna lie. Oh, bro. Yes, sir. Now, yeah, I'm just gonna jump and wait for my Hogwarts letter. I'm sitting in here and I don't know, whatever, I don't care. I gotta get my Hogwarts letter, man. I wanna show you guys a glitch. Okay, that's just his grandpa, pretty sure, right? That's just my friend's grandpa. I'm at his house. Okay. No. God, that was good. Whatever, West Wind, yes, sir. Oh, I forgot I cannot jump. Oh, bye, drone. I'm gonna miss you. I'm doing the biz. Eat that biz. What is that? What? Shut my eyes, I'm just kidding. Oh! What are you gonna do, Jumbo Josh? No!